Hello, folks. Today I'm excited to review yet another cold laser. So a lot of people have been asking me, can you find a good laser and review them and go over them? Lasers are not simple. So if you haven't seen my previous reviews on other cold lasers, make sure you check those out. Okay, we also have a healthcare product review playlist. So we review massagers and all different kinds of things. So make sure to check those out as well. But today we have the PainAway laser. And the PainAway laser is by Multi-Radiance Medical. And this is a laser that I've used extensively, okay? So this is the laser we actually rent out in our clinic. It's a great laser for the layperson, number one. You can see it's handheld. You plug it in, charge it up, lithium-ion battery. Very simple instructions. I've actually done a video on how to use this laser. So make sure you check that out, of course, and then it'll go into all the different features. I'm not going to go into that right now, but there's 3 different modes, and the modes are different laser size nanometers, right? So we go by the wavelength, right? And one diode could be like a laser diode of 900 nanometers and up, and that has a really, really good regenerative level of wavelength that can penetrate deep into the tissue and really work well with the spine and with somebody pre or post knee surgery or surgery of the shoulder, deeper joints, bigger joints, thicker joints. That being said, I've talked about lasers, and many lasers out there in the market that you're looking for in the $200, $300 range, that what we call affordable range. Many of those are really just 600 nanometer, give or take, in the 600 range nanometer lasers that are really not lasers. That's really red light therapy, and that's the difference. And the wavelength is different, and the wavelength in a 600 red light therapy would be much less than, like we're talking on the skin surface. Maybe it'll help you with some eczema, psoriasis, acne, things like that on the skin surface. And it can help with some blood circulation to the skin and collagen production, but it's not really a skin laser. So if you're looking to, to get rid of your wrinkles and become younger, this isn't the laser for you. But this is a soft tissue laser for arthritis, for joint pain, for somebody with disc herniations, just so many different types of injuries. I can't go into all of them. There's too many to list. Carpal tunnel syndrome, lumbar pain, radiculitis, pinched nerves in the neck, arthritis in the spine. I mean, so it just goes on and on. But this laser has a variation of diodes in it, right? So first, a lot of these cheaper lasers have red light therapy, and then they go up to like a 800, in the 800 range nanometer diode that is more near infrared, right? So that's called near infrared. And that will penetrate deeper, okay? Also good for psoriasis, skin things, pain in some situations, depending on where the pain is originating, of course. So those are all things to consider. This laser here, I'd have to double check that, but it does have a 900 range nanometer laser diode. That I can call a laser diode, right? Because the other two are red light therapy and near infrared, not quite a laser diode. So this one has that. The other beautiful part of this laser, the PainAway laser, is that it's good for post-op, after you've had an operation. Pre-operation, you will recover quicker. We've used this on people with, they're about to get surgery, okay? And some have even ended up not getting surgery after that. So it really is great because it's super pulsed. So because this laser is a super pulse laser, you don't have to be a mathematician or a doctor to figure out what surface area you can treat. It's much safer. You're not gonna You're not going to overdose an area, right, or an injury. When you do that, you negate the effect of the laser. So you're just not helping yourself. You don't want to do it too much, right? So typically treatments between 6 and 7 hours apart, but it's got 3 different modes, and they give you a chart right here. You could see with the different programs, right? The 3 different programs. So I like the support they give you. This is a 15-watt laser. I had reviewed another laser that was 1 watt and not super pulsed. So, and we have Tigger here. It's always trying to jump in. So this laser is just nice. It's got an actual laser diode. It can penetrate deeper and work on tissue repair and healing. But as well, it's super pulsed. 15 watt is great, but they make a new one, a 2.0 PainAway laser, and that one is 25 watts, which is perfect, right? 25 watts, it shortens your treatment times a little bit. So when you shorten your treatment times, it just gives you more time in the day to do the things that you love, especially when you're feeling better. What's wrong with that, right? So I really like that they came out with a 2.0. I'm reviewing the 1.0, I guess you would call it. It's the original PainAway laser. So when you are buying one of these, you want to make sure, or considering buying one of these, you may want to make sure that you're specific about which one you want, okay? Because they just came out with the 2.0 here in 2023, okay? When we were doing this video. So it comes with glasses, safety glasses, and of course the charger. And it comes in a case like this, a nice safety case like this with cushion all around it, so God forbid you drop it. So that's pretty much it. That's my review here with the PainAway laser. Now, if you're wondering where you can buy one of these, how much they cost, okay? Now, this is not a $200 laser, remember. The ones that you guys are looking for that are affordable, the $200 lasers, those are near infrared, and those are, red light therapy lasers, okay? It's not the same, okay? So that being said, those could be in the $200 range and even up to $400, right? I've seen them on Amazon and other websites for that. This laser is a bit more. This laser MSRP's for $3,995, but the amount of benefit you're gonna get from this offsets all the thousands of dollars you're gonna spend at the doctor's office, okay? So, be aware of that, okay? So that being said, this one is $3,995 MSRP. We are an authorized dealer, so we can get them to you for a little bit cheaper than that, okay? And their service is good. Anything should go wrong with it, you mail it in, and they will fix it and take care of it for you. And the repairs are not expensive, I will say that. So the 2.0 goes for $4,995, and we can give usually people an additional discount. All you need to do is mention the code YouTubeDave when you call and order, and you can call our office and order these lasers. These are lasers I can stand by with proven results. Now, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. And also, thanks for hitting that thumbs up button. If you like this video, of course, give me that thumbs up, please. All right, we appreciate all you guys. I thank you so much for the past few years during COVID. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Be well. God bless you all.